Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to JEC World Premiere 2025. So a warm welcome to you live streaming on YouTube, wherever you are. A warm welcome to you on LinkedIn Live as well, the JEC World website. Also to you here, our studio audience as well, and even to those that are looking at the recording in the future, looking at us in the past, when in fact, we're in the present. But here's the thing, again, 2 weeks ago, just under 2 weeks ago, we were all somewhere celebrating, enjoying, or saying goodbye to 2024, celebrating all the great things that are going to happen in 2025. And guess what? We're continuing with that right now, because this could be actually the very first thing to celebrate of 2025, a celebration of the evolving industry that drives forward innovation constantly year on year, a celebration of innovative talent, the big ideas coming out of the industry, shaking up the industry moving forward as well, and of course a celebration of JEC World 2025, really uniting the global composite industry together, that community together, and beautifully this year marking its 60th year. That's right, 60th year. So my name is Peter Hopwood, and I'll be guiding you through this next 120 minutes or so together, really getting us in the right mood and getting us kind of curious as to what's going to happen and unfold over at JEC World 2025 from the 4th to the 6th of March this year. All the things not to miss. Right, so this 120 minutes together right now is split into 3 different parts. The first part is essentially a sneak preview of JEC World 2025, all the great things not to miss, certainly over the 3 days of the show. Also, we'll be revealing the 20 big ideas, 20 startups of the Startup Booster JEC startup competition, the biggest, the strongest, the most significant startup competition within the composite industry and advanced materials as well. And finally, we'll be revealing the winners of the JEC Composites Innovation Awards as well, 2025. So we've got 33 finalists, only 11 winners here, walking away a winner of this fantastic competition. But before we go any further right now, I'm going to now invite to the stage a man that many of us know for many years as well, naturally the CEO of JEC, Mr. Eric Pierrejean.
Good afternoon, dear guests who are with us in Paris, and all participants who are connected with us online. Welcome to this JEC World 2025 World Premiere. First, on behalf of the JEC team, I would like to send to all of you our best wishes for this new year. We wish you health, we wish you joy and happiness, and lots of successes. Whatever your job is in the composite industry, from academics to marketing, from R&D to sales or business development, we hope this year will be a year with great achievements for you. Some members of our community worldwide will particularly enjoy this start of year. They are the finalists of the JEC Innovation Awards, and we are going to celebrate their outstanding achievements today. A few of them will have the ultimate recognition they deserve by winning an award. But all finalists can be proud of their collaborative achievements. Our industry is also rich of innovators and entrepreneurs who have founded a startup to leverage either new innovations or to develop new business models. 20 finalists of them will be on stage at JEC World to get not only the global visibility but the connections with the industry. They will be the finalists of the JEC Startup Booster program. You will know their name soon. But this premiere of JEC World is also for you an opportunity to get a preview of this event coming in March. You'll understand that you cannot miss this session for your business, for your research and development projects, or simply for your personal understanding of the markets and all the opportunities it offers. But this 2025 session will have something special on top of that. Exactly 60 years ago, the pioneers of the composite industry who have founded JEC have decided to bring together the community of composites, the community at that time of early adopters of composites. They had a clear vision. First, the composite industry needs business connections to work together. We know how teamwork is important in the industry. It was also needed to have knowledge sharing to get a faster adoption of new technologies. It was also necessary to have a meeting place to match offer and demand. As well as new markets were emerging, composites needed a place to make business, but also to showcase the solutions offered by composites to so many application sectors. And so they created the first event of the industry. They created JEC World 60 years ago. The growth of JEC World to become now the most important event in the industry is mirroring the continuous growth of the industry for 6 decades, opening new markets with new application of composites, from marine to aerospace, from transportation to construction, from energy to sporting goods, from electrical to hydrogen, from planet Earth to planet Mars. And you have made this journey possible. So this anniversary is also yours. When I meet you all over the year, so many of you remind me your first participation at JEC. Some of them are even remembering that they were here with their parents at the show. All in all, you will understand that this session is special, as I said. Don't miss it, because when you are in the composite industry, you have to be at JEC World, and especially this year. So see you soon in Paris, beginning of March, and let's meet at JEC World 2025. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to the jury members. Thank you to our sponsors and exhibitors, and to all of you. I'm inviting Peter to join me back on stage to kick off the session. Thank you.
Eric, what a wonderful way to kind of kick off the show right now. And we had a little chat earlier on, and I asked you 60 years ago, I'm not saying you were there 60 years ago, but 60 years ago, what was that meeting like? What actually happened? And you said it was in a school with enthusiasts, right?
Well, it was 2 years after creating a first magazine. At that time, it was a printed brochure, you can imagine, in the 60s. And that was a meeting point somewhere in Paris, and Maison des Centraliens, which is in fact the house of some alumni from a high school in France. That was the place where they met the first time.
So, I mean, over the years, things certainly have changed so much, but so many things haven't. The vision hasn't changed, and still is a great place, a resource for people in the industry coming together. Eric, thank you so much. We'll be speaking a little bit later on for the awards as well. And what we're going to do now is move on to the JEC World highlights for 2025. And I'm going to invite right now to the stage VP of Events from JEC, Mr. Thomas Leprêtre.